Yo, so I just got home. Guess what just came in? Yeah. My Amazon order. It's the alcohol. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This time I'll be giving you guys a tour of my desk, my workstation, where I spend a lot of my time. And yeah, I've just been really interested in these videos on YouTube showing how to be productive and just tours of workstations and desks, of gaming desks, gaming layouts, minimalistic desks. It'd be interesting to do mine. Mine's gonna be called Broke College Student on a Budget Desk Tour. Also productive, you know, all that. We can always go with the classic on the budget desk tour for a broke college student, which is a foldable table. What I did was I stacked one on top of the other, to maximize space and function. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, let's do this. So welcome to my desk. As you can see, it's nothing special. It's just a desk for broke college students. The desk itself only costs me about $160, so not that expensive. I bought it on Amazon. It was probably the cheapest yet, most aesthetically good looking desk I found. It's very space efficient. As you can see, I have a headphone right there that I never use. It's probably 10 years old. Doesn't even sound good. I have all my essentials like deodorant, headphones, lighting, which I'll talk more about later, and scissors, pens, tape, all the office basic materials. And right here I have my chair. It's pretty cheap. It was $25 on Amazon again. And I have my light right there. It's LED lights, which changes colors at will, and I operate it using this Amazon Alexa thing. It's the first generation, so it's definitely not that good, but it works. I can talk to it. And right here I have a really old MacBook, and I don't even use it. It's just there. It's really just there. And this microphone right here, I was really into podcasts, and I was doing this school project, and I bought it. It was $150 for everything that you see in this picture. It's pretty good. I'm speaking to the mic right now. Right here I have a HEPA filter. I used to have an apartment in the basement, and it got really dusty down there, so I really needed that, but I don't need any more. I have lights. It's probably not the best looking light, but it's if I need light in my video. And right here I got more lights. This one's pretty cool. I was able to show you guys the lighting, like brightness. I can change the mode on this. It changes to bright orange colored light into ring light, so it's good for shooting videos. It could be for studying. It was only $25 or $15 on Amazon. I got these random, I don't even know what that is. And right there you see a piece of cardboard. I was doing a test, so I was just using that to write my notes or my work on. And this is the most important part of this desk, I believe, is that USB hub. It's connected to my laptop. It's very easy. You just plug it in. It's the USB-C plug, I believe. And everything on the laptop powers this monitor, the ultra-wide. It's a 30-inch monitor. It costs me about $250, which is a really good deal. I don't regret buying it at all. It's totally worth it. And everything's plugged in to this USB hub. So right there, the HDMI plugs to the monitor. The USB plugs to my mic, mouse, everything. Right here is just a keyboard. It looks like an Apple keyboard, but it's not. Yeah, I bought it on Amazon for $25 with the mouse. It's not Bluetooth, it's USB powered. And yeah, those foam pads are just SoundResource foam pads I bought online for about $15, $25. And yeah, that's about it. I don't even know what to say. Very space efficient. I have a picture of Jesus up there, not because, it's just not because I wanted to show off my believe in Jesus, but it's just a really good picture of Jesus in general. But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching it. Alright, bye now.